Hi everyone, welcome to the day 2 of ML. This is Rahul Dhawan. So in previous video we covered about Naveface on day 1. So we saw how it performs and we saw a live example. So if you didn't watch that video, so please go, I will put a link in the description box. So let's start. So in this video, day 2 of ML, we will implement naive-based classification model in Python using pandas. So I have code with me. So just to I have pre-written code with me. So just to save time, we will go through this code and understand how it performs. So you guys can have a go through it. So I will put the description of the code, GitHub code link, so you can go through and make a note of it and play with it. So let's start. So at first we need to import the libraries that we need. So first we import pandas and from sklearn the Gaussian naive Bayes and the train test plate. So train test plate is basically because we want to divide our data set for training and testing the model. Okay, so just let's read the data. So that is by pd.read. So I will put the link of the data as well from which you can download and play with it. And let's just view the data. So we have some hash value. This is just a unique id, and this is the column that we need to predict, like is it a malware or not. And these are others are features that maybe we need or not. So let's just print the shape basically means how much records we have. So we have almost 1 lakh and 35 columns. So let's now it's time to see how many variables we have in classification. Do we have null or not, or maybe multiple classification can be there. So just do classification dot unique, that will give us malware and another Benign. So we will just convert into 0 or 1 because we know like machine learning models don't take the categorical features itself in the beginning. They need numerical value. So we are converting into 0 and 1. So 0 means not malware and 1 means a malware. So now we will prepare our features and the label class. So label class will be y, that is just classification that we need to do, and the x will be all the features except classification and unique id, that was hash. So maybe unique id we don't know, we don't need actually, because maybe for the future record we maybe have different unique id, so that is not necessary for predicting. So then we will do train test split. Train test split will help us in splitting this x and y into training and testing. So test side 0.3 means 30% of the data will be in test, and 0.7 means 70% of the data will be in training. So we will initialize the model and we will fit the model. So we will have now a model with us trained. Now we'll predict on the test data set, with that will we store it in ped. And now we have with us the prediction and actual values. So actual value is in y test, and so now we will see how many classified are misclassified. Label we didn't classify it correctly. So if you see, out of 30,000 we were not able to classify 11,000 records correctly. So this was our naive based classification model implementation in Python. So here we didn't check about the accuracy of the model and all those stuff. So why we didn't check? Because in the another day what we'll do, we will first know about the things like which metric should we use, and is it a model that we need to replace, or is it a features that we need to replace. We will look into it in next in some other day. So for day 2 we just need to implement some machine learning model that we learned last day, sorry. So yeah, thank you. Please check out another day's videos too.